welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make a cute little elf door. So to make this elf door you are obviously going to need a door. This one I got from the works and it was only £2, so it's a bargain, and the door actually opens. That is why I love this one so much. So yeah, you're going to need a door. You're going to need paint, so whatever colour you want to paint them. I normally get paint from Homebase, just their home brand is fine, and you can just get little tester pots at like 50p, so that's brilliant. And then whatever you want to decorate it, so you can get bunting, you can get like little felt decorations from Hobbycraft. I've mentioned them in a few of my other crafty videos as well. And then you might also want a drill or just a screwdriver, because we're going to take it apart whilst we paint it so we don't make it all messy. Once it's all painted, it will look like this. Now we can do the fun part and add all the decorations on. So for the decorations, most of it is from Hobbycraft. So we've got snowman, Santa.
We've got elf, and we've got reindeer and snowman.
Yeah, so I'm just going to pick one of them to put on it. And then I've also got these wreaths. They're from Hobbycraft too, and I'm going to stick that on the front of the door. I've got some other little accessories here, like stars and stuff. Everything's just from Hobbycraft. I love their Christmas range in there.
This is a snowflake.
It's cute, isn't it? Yeah, so I'm just going to go crazy with it and add loads of different things to make it look all Christmassy. So that is it. That is how you make a cute little elf door. I've added this little Christmas tree here, which is also from the works. You get like a pack of 5 or something, and then these little presents, which are the works as well. So yeah, that is how it looks, and it opens up and everything. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please give it a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I will see you in another video. Bye.